Okay, the next technique is low graduation. We're going to use tension and elevation, which creates graduation. We're going to start the same way, 4 sections, fringe to nape, apex to behind the ear. We're doing the same thing as far as what we did for one length, slight diagonal forward subsection. The difference between this technique and the one we just did for one length is we're using our fingers. So we're going to use our fingers, starting in the middle again. And again, low graduation. I don't want to cut too much off. Now, from the nape area, I'm going to stand in back of my work, and I'm going to comb the hair natural fall, and then I'm going to bring it straight across. Natural fall, straight across. Still mirroring my subsection where it's going to get slightly longer towards the front. If you see that I'm reaching here, natural fall, bring it back, straight across. So what we're doing is, because we're using tension and elevation, that will force that hair to go this way. So as it shrinks up, it'll be level. Going to the other side, straight down, natural fall, bring it straight across, and cut our mirror. This is only in the nape area. Stay in the middle. Stationary guide. Follow my guideline. Comb the hair straight down, natural fall, and then comb it back so it's straight across. We're over directing it slightly so it gets longer towards the front, so as it dries it levels out. Natural fall, bring it straight back. Mirror your subsection with your fingers. One more to get to the top of the ear. We're still in the nape area. So we have to remember, stay in the middle of our work. Comb the hair straight down, natural fall. Natural fall, comb it back so it's level to the ground. Natural fall, comb it back, mirror my subsection. So as you can see, that hair is starting to push forward because there is no weight here, so we're creating weight. Natural fall, bring it straight back. Follow your guide. Once we get to the top of the ear, just like we did with the one length, we're going to incorporate the front and the back. You can keep it into 4 if you like, but it's a lot easier. So that way you're on the same plane going up the head. You'll create a better balanced haircut. Just like one length, it's best to sit down so you have a really clean line. Now, once we do this, we walk it all the way around, and we just pay attention to the ear, just like we did with a one length. It's low graduation, which means we want to keep it as low to the skin as possible. This technique is used when we're going to go in and do some type of layering or something into the rest of the hair. Most common technique that you're going to use so now I'm walking it around. As you can see, the hair got longer, which is what we wanted to create. But as it dries, it'll pop up. Apex of the ear, pay attention to that. Keep following your line. Just the apex of the ear. You don't need to worry about it in front of the ear. Do one to one. Do it to the other. Follow with your fine tooth of your comb. Creates a nice line so you can see your guide very well. That's just to tell me, don't forget the ear. Apex of the ear again. At this point in time, check both sides to make sure it's level. Keep taking your subsections. I'm going to drop this all down because I know a lot of this is not going to reach because it's very fine hair. So the texture of the hair is always going to dictate how thick your subsections are. As long as I can see my guide, that's how big my subsection needs to be. I can see my guide, so I'm good. Follow your fingers right behind the comb. You'll see your guide a lot better. Stay in front of your work. Just at the apex, I want to make sure. Mirror the next subsection all the way around. Apex of the ear. You check it on the front, both sides. Okay? Thank you.